Hello friends, welcome to your channel. This video is about 10 skills a cook should have to be a successful cook in cooking career. Please watch this video from the beginning till the end without skipping. Meanwhile, I request you to please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more useful tips on education, job, career with analysis, tips, alerts, expert advice and good suggestions. Let us go to the video. Why a person who wants to become a good cook should have thorough knowledge about spices. Spices are important in both cooking and also in medicine. Spices improve the natural flavor of cuisines and can be used to adjust the appearance of food and make it more pleasing in color. So some of them grow wild and are an excellent source of food preservatives, especially in industrially processed foods. The cook should also know the health benefits of each spice. Every spice has its own flavoring and essence, and its addition or omission can literally make or break a dish or food. There are many spices we use in our day-to-day cooking, which include popular ones like black pepper, turmeric, coriander seeds, etc. So, to become a good cook, one should definitely have a thorough knowledge about spices and also its health benefits. Second skill one should have is knowledge about oils. Thorough knowledge about oils, its content and its health benefits is most important. And you should know which oil is most suitable to prepare a particular food. The major use of cooking oil is in frying, where it functions as a heat transfer medium and contributes flavor and texture to foods. If you need oil for a higher heat cooking or oil that does not have a strong flavor, look for a naturally refined cooking oil using lower temperature and natural agents like citric acid. Research about various types of oils, brands and acquire thorough knowledge about them. Third important skill one should have to become a good cook is acquiring knowledge about herbs. Herbs are small plants that have a fleshy or juicy stem when they are young. A herb is a plant whose leaves, seeds, etc. are used in medicine or in cooking. A cook should know the most commonly used herbs in the kitchen and when and how to use the herbs while cooking. For example, you have to use whole herbs at the beginning of cooking like bay leaves because it takes longer to draw out the flavor when they are whole. When chopped, the cells of the herb leaves are broken open, which lets out the aroma. Chopped herbs are the best used before serving. So have thorough knowledge about the herbs. Fourth skill or knowledge one should have is about fruits and vegetables. You should know what are the health benefits of fruits, how each fruit tastes, how and when to use which fruit while cooking, how to prepare fruit juices, which fruit can be mixed with other fruits to prepare any food or fruit juices. And also knowledge about vegetables is important. You should know healthy ways of cooking fruits and vegetables like when to microwave them, when to bake them, when to boil them, when and how to steam them in a cooker, and when and how to roast them. All these just to ensure that the taste of the vegetables and fruits do not get spoiled. Fifth need is to join a culinary school that is a cooking school. Make a thorough research about a reputed, affordable cooking school in your location. Depending upon your budget, your aim, duration of the course, and the timing available to you, you can join a cooking school. Also go through the curriculum, that is the contents of each course, and then decide which course is suitable for you. Joining a cooking school will further improve your knowledge and make you more competitive in the market. Some cooking school may also even help you in getting jobs by having tie-ups with hotels and restaurants. So the fifth need is to join a good cooking school. Sixth need is to follow some famous chefs, cooks of India and abroad, and learning from them. Top 10 chefs provide lot of tips and skills needed for a person to become a successful cook. You can follow them in social networks and or watch their useful videos in YouTube or in some other social networks on to know various food recipes in which they provide step-by-step instructions for cooking or preparing a particular food. Regularly watching their videos and following their tips and advice practically will further make you a more knowledgeable person as a cook. Seventh skill one should have is creativity in cooking. Preparing foods by following same foods and serving them to the customer will be of no use. A professional cook should be creative in cooking, not only to retain the existing customers and also to attract more customers. Cooking new type of foods will make a cook more popular and demanding in the market. So creativity in cooking should be consistent. Eighth skill a cook should have is communication skills. A cook's communication with others, be they customers or his co-workers, should be simple and easy to understand. Not only communication skills, a cook should also have good organizing time management skills when he or she is in kitchen, with proper coordination with other departments of a hotel or a restaurant. Leadership quality will be an added advantage for a cook if he or she is in a senior position leading other subordinates in the kitchen. So, communication, organizing, leadership and time management skills are also important for a cook to be successful. Ninth skill a cook should have is satisfying customers. Customer satisfaction should be the first motto for any cook. Retaining the existing customers by fully satisfying them with what they expect and also getting new customers through them is most important for any cook to be more successful. So a cook should know what standard tastes customers expect and how to prepare food according to their tastes. 10th skill is updating knowledge about not only with modern food preparation technology but also technologies used in serving the customers. Modern methods in preparing food have directly changed human lives for the better. Developing food preparation methods helps people save more time. In modern life, it takes cooks a little time to prepare foods and serve them to the customers in a shortest possible time. The cook should be much familiar with usage of modern cooking tools and should keep himself or herself updated with them. So updating latest technologies in cooking the food is most important for a person to be a professional and a successful cook. Hope this video is useful to you. To continue watching our videos on job, education, career, please like, subscribe and share our channel. Thanks a lot for watching our video.